Uh-oh, a little bit of shimmy.
50%. 25 for 50%. 25 50%. 25 0. 50%. Gear up.
That's sticking again.
50%. Gear
I
down.
don't see it do anything wrong.
The landing gear won't go up.
50%.
All right, I'm landing. You clear?
All clear.
All clear, cool.
Landing flaps. 25 per gear down.
Hope so.
Scares me every time.
0.
Me too. I'll say I see trees.
25% 0.
That's beautiful. Forward. Reverse thrust.
No reverse on this bad boy.
You just want pictures instead of video?
Well, I think you get some really good afterburner shots with the sunset. Don't you think?
Okay. Yeah, you're right. Did I get some last time that I was out here?
Yeah, you
I think I
did.
didn't I? I'm getting video.
I see a burner on that.
You see a lot of things on that one. Really cool lighting systems. Now it's got smart telemetry on this one. I just did that.
You put your port and starboard running lights backwards.
Gear up.
Did you put the
25 for 50%.
Oh yeah, as soon as you came out of it.
ESC 20.9 volts. Time remaining 2 minutes. %.
I brought waters by the way if anyone wants one. I appreciate it. How much time you got left?
Time remaining 56 seconds.
There's your answer.
Gear down. 50%. 30 seconds.
My better be fine.
20 seconds. 0.
All right, flaps.
Take landing flaps. 25%. 0.
And yes, it does have reverse, but I don't need it.
Tacking out.
Braking. 25%. 50%. 0. Speed brake closed. 25%. 0. 50%. Gear up. Flaps up. 50%. 25%. 50%. 25%. 50%. ESC 20.5 volts. ESC 21 volts. ESC 20.4 volts. ESC 21.2 volts. ESC 21.3 volts. ESC 20.3 volts. Time remaining 1 minute. ESC 20.1 volts. ESC 20.1 volts. ESC 20.4 volts.
How much time you got left on this?
Gear down. 50%. 0.
Ooh, overshot. They can fix this.
Tip landing flaps. 26%. Flaps up. 20.
I should
Timer
have.
expired. 50%. 0. Tip landing flaps. 20. 0.
She got floaty today. Little fast, but I'll get it.
Go get some F-22 stuff. That's some F-22 stuff.
There you go.